Today we will see the brief introduction about the two-port networks, what it is included, about introduction, overview, one-port network, and different types of port network. So first we will start with the introduction. So the introduction shows that a two-port network has two pairs of terminal, input and output. Means it has two terminal, one is input and second one is output port. For example, oscilloscope, monitor, capacitance, these are known as a two-port network. Now we'll see the overview of the two-port network. So a network with two pairs of terminal, okay, means a two-port network which has a two pairs of terminal, port 1 and port 2. Okay, so this one is known as the input port and this one is known as a output port. Now we'll see two types of network. One is one port network and second is two port network. So what is one port network? One port network is a simple two terminal network like resistor, inductor and capacitor. These are known as a one port network. Now second is two port network. So what is two port network? A network where current enters one terminal and leaves through another. Means a current enters in this terminal and leave through other terminal is known as a two port network. So what is the variables? The variables are V1, I1, V2, I2. So this is a two port network. The voltage across is V1 and voltage across this terminal is V2. This is current I1 and this is current I2. Okay, so V1 means voltage across V1, I1 is the current into port 1, voltage across V2 is V2 and current into the port 2 is I2. Okay, so these are the variables. Now we will see the different types of parameter. So the first parameter is Z parameter. Okay, so what is the formula given here? V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. This is the formula of the Z parameter. Z11 is known as a input impedance. Z12 is known as a reverse transfer impedance. It is written here. Z21 is known as a forward transfer impedance and Z22 is the output impedance. Now next is Y parameter. So Y parameter formula is given as I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2, where Y1 is known as the input impedance in admittance, Y12 is a reverse transfer admittance, Y21 is a forward transfer admittance and Y22 is output admittance. Next is H parameter. What is the formula of the H parameter? Is V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equal to H21 I11 plus H22 V2. Okay, so H11 is known as the input impedance, H21 is known as the forward current gain, H12 is known as the reverse voltage gain, and H22 is known as the output admittance. So this is the formula of the H parameter. Next is G parameter. The formula of the G parameter is given as I1 is equal to G11 V1 plus G12 I2, V2 is equal to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. So G11 is known as the admittance, G22 is known as the impedance, G12 and G21 is a dimensionless coefficient. Okay, and the last one is T parameter, which is also known as the ABCD parameter. Okay, formula is given as V1 is equal to AV2 plus B under bracket minus I2, I1 is equal to CV2 plus D under bracket I2. So A is known as a reverse voltage ratio, B is known as a reverse transfer impedance, C is known as a reverse transfer admittance, and D is known as reverse current ratio. Now we'll see the symmetry and reciprocity. What is the definition of symmetry? If the input impedance is the same at the both port, means if the input impedance is the same at the both ports, they are interchangeable, is known as a symmetry. And what is reciprocity? The circuit is the reciprocal if the response ratio is the constant when the position are swapped. Okay, and next is conversion of Z parameter to YZ to Y parameter, and this can be converted by using the specific relationship. And the last is interconnection of two-port network. There are three types of connections: series, parallel, and cascaded. Then the series connection, the parameters are added, means Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, means all the parameters are added. In parallel, Y parameters are added, series Z parameter are added, in the parallel Y parameters are added, and in the cascade connection T parameter, means ABCD parameters are multiplied. So this is known as the interconnection of two-port network.